Kenya Airways is planning to emit zero greenhouse gases by the year 2050. The national carrier says it will phase out fossil fuels in its fleet, reduce waste and embrace environmentally sustainable practices in its operations. Here is that story.
The global aviation industry generates 2.5% of all greenhouse gases every year, while it has contributed 4% to global warming to date. In October 2022, more than 184 countries adopted a collective long-term global aspirational goal of net zero carbon emissions by 2050. The more than 180 countries agreed to accelerate the adoption of new, innovative aircraft technologies, streamline flight operations, and increase production and deployment of sustainable aviation fuels.
Now we are flying very complicated and extremely sophisticated machines, and we need people to maintain those aircraft, to fly those aircraft, but not only in the flying side, but also in the management, right? There is more and more new type of technologies as has been mentioned.
Kenya Airways, which ratified the Net Zero Treaty in 2022, says it has rolled out various initiatives to ensure gradual reduction of greenhouse gases. KQ Managing Director Allan Kilavuka has told the African Aviation Innovation Summit that the carrier has initiated 3 projects, namely a pyro-diesel plant, a water bottling plant, and the transformation of Msafiri House into an aviation hub to lower operational costs and boost sustainability.
We have just launched a pyro-diesel plant. A pyro-diesel is a diesel that is extracted from waste plastic. And that pyro-diesel, we produce about 1,000 liters a day, is to be used for our ground transport.
Present during the African Aviation Innovation Summit were state officials, aviation experts, and officials from the International Air Transport Association, among others.